Do you have a variation listing on Amazon and want to make sure that it's optimized and generating as much sales as possible? Let me show you how to ensure it's optimized and to make sure you can generate even more sales than ever before. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. We're an Amazon consulting firm that helps sellers like you sell and succeed on Amazon. Let's dive into variations. So check out my screen and we're going to see Radiate Portable Campfire, which is one of our clients, and they have a great variation set up. It's just a portable campfire, and we're gonna be going over some tips for some variations. And the first thing I want to mention is a lot of variations, they have mixed up sizes. So if you have sizes or colors, you wanna make sure everything is spelled the right way and it's not messed up. So you can see 1-pack. Not only when you go to 2-pack, it actually shows a 2-pack. When you go to 4-pack, it actually shows a 4-pack. And that's going to help you long-term reduce returns and ensure customers are happy. Customers get confused easily. As you may know from selling on Amazon, customers get confused. So make sure all of the sizes, all of the materials, the styles, the brands, the shape, item weight, fuel type, assembly, everything is on there. And whatever is already on there, you want to make sure it's correct and it goes with all of your other listings in the variation. Number 2 is going to be the images. The images need to be in a good sequence. So as you can see for this, they have number 1, number 2, number 4, 4-pack. And you can actually see in the first image, like I was just explaining, how it shows the 1-pack, then it shows the 2-pack, then it shows the 4-pack. Now the secondary images should be uniform. It should be the same to the best of your ability. If it's a different color, then it should be the same but in a different color. That way you don't confuse customers. It's going to make your listing look much more professional and it does help you generate more sales. So make sure all of your listings are formal. I see a lot of even $1 million clients where they have variations and their list, they have different images on the different color, on a third color, blue, they have different images, and then they forget to put A+ content. So maybe one of their listings has A+ content, and then another one of their listings doesn't have a brand story. So make sure all of your listings in the variation have a brand story. All of your listings in the variation have A+ content, and it should be very organized and almost exactly the same. You don't want to have different brand stories because the customer is going to get confused and think it's a whole different product altogether. Then they're going to leave it and go to a competitor. So make sure all of those are uniform. If you learned something in today's video so far, please do drop a like and subscribe. It would really appreciate it and it would help my channel grow. Last but not least is a really good tip. It's going to be breaking apart the variation. Let's say you have a 1-pack, 2-pack, 4-pack, and let's say the client wants to add an 8-pack and a 16-pack. Well, then it's going to get to the point where there's a lot of different variations. And the more choices you give somebody, the more difficult it is to make a decision. As you know, if you ever went to dinner and you see a huge menu, it's gonna take you a lot longer than if there was only 5 items on the menu. Sometimes it's easier if there's less items, and all humans are like that. So make sure you're not offering, I would say, over 4 options. If you have more than 4 options, it's time to split the variation. What does that mean, splitting the variation? Well, let me show you. If you type in Radiate Portable Campfire and we scroll down, you can see that they split the variation on this one. So this is a 1-pack right here, and it's a 2-pack. This is split, so this is its own separate listing, and this has its own separate listing. This listing that we were just talking about is a one big variation. So if you split the listing, then you show up in more places pretty much, and you take up more space when somebody types in your brand name or other keywords. Instead of just one listing, we could split this up and it could be organized into 3 or 4 different listings, which could help you generate more sales. I only recommend splitting the listing once it has a lot of reviews, because right now, if you combine the listings, it combines the reviews. The 1-pack was their first product, so that's gonna have the most reviews. If they take the 2-pack out of the variation and put it as a separate listing, the 2-pack is going to take with it all of the reviews, and it's going to have all of the reviews separated. And that's completely okay. So you only want to separate your listing once one item in your variation is built up. So let's say this 1-pack had 100 reviews and this 2-pack had 100 reviews. That's a good time to split the variation because they're both doing so well. And if you split it and you run ads against each one, they should be succeeding even better than if they were in a variation, especially if you have a lot of options. That way, when somebody types in a Radiate portable campfire, not only are you showing up just once, you're going to be showing up multiple times on Amazon. And that's exactly what you want to do. If you need help selling on Amazon or help with your variation, feel free to contact us at ehpconsultinggroup.com.